The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you had a good start to your day. Looking around the markets right now, and I don't see a great deal having gone on, apart from that of Stellar having an absolutely wonderful push to new highs. We'll get there in just a minute, but like we do in the mornings, first things first, let's have a little walk through the Bitcoin news across the alerts. We've got Bitcoin and crypto billionaires defy price downturn. Just a bit of rubbish there, bit of entertainment if that's what you really want to talk about. If you want to get into that, it's talking about the Winklevoss twins and how they're blah blah blah. Who cares? The Bitcoin market update. Bitcoin on the verge of a major reversal. Now, what exactly does that mean? Bitcoin attempted to break above 4,000 handle. However, the upside proved to be unsustainable at this stage. Well, obviously that was written late, simply because, well, we're at 4,074 and we're holding up there wonderfully well. As a matter of fact, that piece of news would have been better suited to last week or the week before, in which case, once again, proving just how pointless price action news actually is. Bitcoin's credibility questioned by critics after volume drops due to blackout in Venezuela. Okay, not too much of a concern there. Investment app Donut on a mission to make investing in crypto effortless. I think this is in relation to that $1.8 million seed round they received. And I believe this might be something like one of those spaceships. In Australia, have an app called Spaceship, whereby you can invest into, I think it's into your super or into other investments by just little bits by little bits. It's a great little idea, and it really has caught on and done very, very well from my understanding. Ethereum leads in active developers, Bitcoin's developer count healthy, Litecoin and Dogecoin ... Point of this is they're talking about all the different leads and leaders within these tokens. So that's fine. Nothing really too much going on there. Alternative investments to grow beyond $10 trillion. Now, that is alternative investments. For which blockchain and crypto makes up a part of that. So do I think we'll get to a $10 trillion market? Yeah, probably at some point, maybe 10, 20 years. If it happens sooner, I'll be buying that boat a bit quicker. But look, I also agree with that. I think we will see the growth in the sector, in the market. I just don't see it happening instantly. I think, it'd be nice to get to $1 trillion. That's our first port of call. Don't get too far ahead of yourselves. IBM signs 6 banks to issue stablecoins and use Stellar's XLM cryptocurrency, and I suppose that could be one of the major driving factors as to why Stellar is up right now 8%. 43 vulnerabilities detected in major cryptocurrency platforms. No surprise there. Citi has scrapped its plans for JP Morgan coin-like bank-backed cryptocurrency. Okie doke. Your money where your funds go on crypto exchanges and OTC desk. Canada to explore regulating crypto exchanges. Bank of Mexico's attempt to regulate crypto is a disaster. Okay, well, that's very interesting. Now let's go across and have a look at the actual markets and see what is actually going on. Of course, Bitcoin up 0.014%, not doing a great deal, just holding up around those levels that we saw yesterday, very similar to the area where we closed. Now, is there any opportunities around here? I'm just going to have a quick look now. For me personally, at this stage in time, it's not really something that I'm all that interested in getting long on. If I was to have gotten long, I should already be long. Now, I don't mind the look of this chart, and I think it does still look quite healthy, but we'll need to wait and see how that plays out. Ethereum's pulled back into the cradle zone on the 8-hour here. A nice little bullish candle there, just a little out of whack as far as I'm concerned for trading opportunities right now. It's down 0.5%. We've got EOS sitting up there down 0.75% at $3.78. Stellar Lumen, as I said, the performer today at 12 cents, up 8.21% now. It just keeps on soldering on. Well done to you, Stellar, and all Stellar holders. I hope you're having a really good start to your day. If you didn't know, well, now you do. Litecoin is holding up again. It's down 2%. However, the place where it has pulled back to is a wonderful little place. It's called the Cradle Zone. There is some pretty strong divergence up there on the 8-hour and the 12-hour, so it's one that I will be leaving alone for the time being. But nevertheless, that trend continues to hold its ground very, very well. Speaking of holding its ground, BAB, or Bitcoin Cash, has pushed on another 3.5% today, just tucking itself along nicely. Nothing there for my trading right at this stage. We've got Binance token down 0.8%. against USDT. No options for me available at this stage. Some pretty strong divergence across those higher timeframes, that 12-hour, 16-hour, and so forth. It's not a market that I'm looking to be entering right now. I'm still long from quite some time back on a couple of trades, and it's going to stay that way for the time being. I'm happy to just be a spectator. Tron not doing a great deal, but it's down 1% today, sitting at 0.02 of a cent, or sorry, 2 cents. One of the charts I do like at the moment is Cardano, and it continues to just grind back into that cradle zone. Oh dear me. A wonderful little opportunity has popped up this morning, last night and this morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. It really is a doozy. Lovely little bullish candle in that cradle zone. I have not taken that because I was asleep, but nevertheless, this chart is looking really nice. The trend is nicely winding along a nice, easy to walk path. So we'll hope to see that continue and see opportunities cropping up throughout the day. What I do like at the moment is the way the market is gaining, then holding, gaining, then holding. It'd be really nice to see this continue, to be even nicer to see the market just continue to gain and gain and gain for a little while, getting us up above those old highs, a significant point being $4,282. Ladies and gentlemen, have a fantastic day. And if you haven't already gone across to the website, it's tradercobb.com. Get yourself subscribed to the bi-weekly video newsletter and check out all the free tools that are available there as well. I hope you have a fantastic day, guys. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.